Hello guys, today we're gonna make a pendulum swimming tutorial with my friend Timmy. Alright guys, let's go. Dude, I was thinking to cut this off, but nah. Heck no, bruh. No, you ain't doing that. You ain't doing that shit. Yeah, that's the tutorial that's the tutorial I'm gonna do. That's the tutorial I'm gonna do right now. Okay. No, please. No, please. Alright, hold up. Okay, so how do you pendulum? You do it if you wanna how to push for I'm just gonna give you something. I will give you the movement. And hold it under and spread your arms more wide out.
That just makes me go straight up.
No, not your arms up. Okay, so you do this. And then right, left, right. And then you do the same, but your arms more spread out. Words, and then you switch it from side to side.
No, I can't do it.
And you can get faster if you be harsh with it.
I'm just waddling like a duck.
That's crazy, bro.
Oh wait, is this how you do it?
No, dude, it's supposed to look like this.
Well, I don't know how to do that. You never told us.
Dude, I know I never told you, bro.
Then how is this a tutorial?
I'm just doing a tutorial on how to do.
Yeah, but you're not giving the tutorial. You're just doing it.
No, I'm giving a tutorial. Alright, so now I'm gonna do
it then? All you did was show us the movement.
Yeah, I know. But I also showed how you do it.
Yeah, that's you just showed us
like this. And then you spread your arms more outwards, but you don't do it like this. You do it under your body.
Yeah,
this.
that's what I've been doing and it didn't work.
Okay, now I'm gonna teach you how to motorboat, whatever it's called. So, yeah, maybe many people do it with their hand in the middle, but mostly I do this. Your hands like this, then backwards this. Look. That's how I do it. And then, but your left hand has to be on your
Can we play the
chest.
only up, Matt?
What?
Can we play the only up, Matt?
Yeah, sure. If I stop recording. Okay. And then, if you wanna if you know how to pendulum, then you can dive turn. You do this. You put your hands forwards. Many people push like this. That makes you slower. You do this. And then switch backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards. And then, yeah, that's how you do it. And now I'm gonna do a water running tutorial. Or many of you already know how to water run. But doing water run like this, or like something else. Over like this. Hold up. Like this. Okay, so okay. So how you do it? You just start water running, and when you like want to stop, you put your hands down. Look, you put your hands like more like, and then you start tilting them down. Look, like an example of this. Or you can just like, you can hit the top of the water like this and then do that. But mostly the most important tip is when you hit the top of the water, make sure your hand is like this so you can get under the water. Now I'm gonna show you how to turn like this in the water, on the water while water running. So yeah, you just water run, and when you want to stop, you just put your two arms forward, like each on both sides. You can choose wherever you can go, like this or this. Okay, and I like, hold up, yeah, so you water, and then you choose which side you want to go. Yeah, that's the tutorial for today.